Today we are going to clean up this organized chaos and install Olsa Tools DrawerPro system. So we're going to take these. Let's talk the DrawerPro wrench system. These are for small wrenches, these are for medium size, and these are for large. Each package comes with 10 pieces, which is good for 5 wrenches, as there's a left and right side. The small here are fitting up to about 13 millimeters. And then we get into the medium to about 17, 18 millimeters. And then we get into the large size after that. For the SAE, around 9/16, we transition to the medium. And then around 3/4, we get into the large. And again, I don't have industrial, real big large ones, but those are available. They all come with these sticky pads, which are washable and reusable. You just peel these off, put them on the bottom. So again, with this, you get your sticky pads, which I'll just put to the side. So as you can see here, there's left and right pieces. So another 10, and then we'll dry fit the 11, and I'm just going to dry fit these, and then I'll commit to the sticky pads. Move these down. I believe there was a 9. The sticky pads do fit perfectly on each one. You can see that they're a little bit different sizes. Oh, that's a 19. Let's go with the 17, keep it in order. And I think I'll use the large ones for the 18 and 19. Squeeze them in so it maximizes some space, which I'll probably move these all down. So now that I've dry fit my drawer, I'm gonna put the sticky pads in here to get this all locked down. And I'm gonna start with my 19 mil here. So I've put this one in the corner where I want them kind of flush to maximize my space. To put the sticky pad off, you just peel it off, stick it on the bottom. Then this could be a bit tricky, where you want to just peel that little end piece off there like this. So now you expose the sticky on the bottom. Now in order to know where this is going to go, I'm going to put that in like this. And then I'm just going to wiggle and lock that down so that now that's in there. That's in there in the corner. So now that's exactly where actually, and this is a great thing. It's a little tight, so you can unstick it. And then stick it back down here real quick. Just because it was a little too tight for my liking. There we go. So now that's in there. And these sticky pads are washable and reusable. You basically just take this, run it underwater, dry it off, and reuse it. So that's in there now. We're gonna get working on the rest of it. Once you put the sticky pad on the back, If you have any difficulties getting that off, you can either pinch your thumbs to the center, or you can take a little X-Acto knife and just pinch off the end so that you can get that cover off and expose the stickiness.